What's good, gents? Hope everyone's having a lovely day. And this is basically another vlog. So it's currently 8:20 a.m. I just got finished up trading. I took a small little loss, but it's whatever. It was an extremely low risk trade. But we're gonna review why I lost, all of that, what I should have done instead. And yeah, so I'll do that after I make a quick little breakfast. We're gonna make a 1,000-calorie shake, then have some eggs with it. Wait, we're on that bulk, bro. So then after that, we'll do the trading stuff. And yeah, hope you guys take some value from this video. I'm gonna be trying to provide you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to sub and join the free community. Link in description. Yeah. All right, so this is pretty much a price review or price action review for today. And I'll go over my demo trade I was in, which got stopped out break even. But this is basically how price moved today. So first of all, going into the day, we had some accumulation. Actually, first of all, I forgot to talk about this. So we created a low right here, which was an SMT clean low, sell side taken, and it was just clear low. Then after we created this order block on the 1 hour chart, that's when we started going into pure bullish market structure. Then we had some accumulation and manipulation, and after manipulation, a distribution happens. But inside this, obviously we had the order block right here, and we had a CRT 1 hour chart on the 1 hour chart. So it was pretty profitable. I just set up in here, but I didn't take it because news was at 10 a.m. and it was high impact news. So the last thing I want to do is get manipulated by news and get stopped out, then can't enter because of that. So yeah. All right, going to the next set of price action. Right here, it was just choppy. And this is where I made my mistake. It was choppy, so I'm like, shorts are gonna happen. Boom, took some shorts, got stopped out, chopped out. Boom, it was a mistake by me. We learned from it, we move on. All right, but here we have the accumulation, manipulation, more distribution up here. So today, and this is the higher time frame. So the SMT right here, big move up. Order block, we have this imbalance right here, CRT right here, taking this low, SMT, boom, distribution. And obviously this is pure hindsight, so I need to be recognizing these things faster. So yeah. And this is the paper trade. So right here, we had an OB right here on the 15-minute chart, retrace, boom, 5-minute chart, we created an order block on the 5-minute chart, retrace to that. After some rejection, I entered, and this is where I put my stop loss at break even. So right here, we had this high. We failed to close above. So I'm like, I'm gonna put stop loss at break even and until we close above this, which we did, then I got stopped out break even. But yeah, that's pretty much the recap for today. Again, today was a little losing day, but we learned from it, we move on, we learn from the mistakes. So that's all it's all about. You have to fail more than an average person tries. It's just how it is. So yeah. But that's the trades, not the trades, but the price action. And now I'm gonna journal it up, review more price action. Well, not review more, just journal about it. Journal about my performance, journal about price action. Then after that, I'm gonna do some back testing. Then yeah, so I'll film some back testing for you guys. I'll show you guys my setups, why I take it, and all of that. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying. Make sure to join the free community, link in the description. And yeah, later. So we just wrapped up with back testing. We have the back testing. We have a real estate video in the background. So yeah, and this is pretty much the stats for today. Today wasn't the best back testing. We had a 6 wins, 4 losses. It should have been 3 losses, but I accidentally entered 2 times on accident on 1 loss. So overall, pretty solid. I could have done risk a little better, but yeah. So that's the back testing. Now I'm gonna wrap it up for trading. I've been doing trading stuff like all morning. So I'm gonna wrap it up for trading, maybe do a little back testing later. But I'm gonna eat lunch right now. I've been trying to get 3,000 calories every day, so you could probably see. That smoothie had like 1,000 calories in it. Oh yeah, and smoothie sauce right now. If you're trying to bulk, I got a smoothie, put a whole milk in that thing. Strawberries, peanut butter, avocado oil, a whole avocado. Did I say peanut butter? If I didn't, put peanut butter in it. And I think that's all I put in it. And it was like 1,000 calories. Oh, and granola in the end. I didn't put it in while I was blending it, but I put it in after. So it was a banger smoothie sauce for you guys if you're trying to bulk. 1,000 calories. Follow those ingredients. So yeah, I'm gonna eat lunch. Probably some grass-fed ground beef, some rice. I don't know what else. But yeah, that's the plan. And I'll see you guys when I'm eating. Yo, so it is 10 p.m. I forgot to record some stuff, so basically I ate lunch, then I did some mindset courses and all that. Then after that, I'll be honest, I wasted some time. And after that, I just chilled with my mom. Then I ate dinner, then went to the gym. So overall, today was a quality day, I guess. Got some trading stuff done. Yeah, but I could definitely have a better day. So that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to sub and join the free community, link in description. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.